Digital marketing is in demand in every industry today. According to a report by Statista, global digital advertising spending is expected to reach $876 billion by 2026, showcasing the rapid growth of this industry. Businesses are increasingly investing in digital strategies to reach their audiences effectively. But if you are new, getting your first client can be a bit tough. Don't worry, in this article we will discuss a detailed roadmap that will help you get your first client. By following this guide, you can give a strong start to your digital marketing career. Digital marketing is a results-driven field. Clients hire professionals who have skills and experience. If you don't have experience, don't worry. You can work on small projects to showcase your skills. To get started, run free or discounted campaigns for your friends and family's small businesses. Tips to showcase your skills. Run free campaigns for small businesses to build a portfolio. Prepare detailed case studies for each project. Highlight objectives, strategies, and results in your case studies. SEO tip. Use keywords on your portfolio page such as digital marketing portfolio, first client tips, and how to start in digital marketing to get traffic from search engines. Becoming a specialist is especially effective in today's competitive market. If you offer all kinds of services, your positioning can be weak. By selecting a niche, you can target a specific audience. For example, if you are interested in the fitness industry, offer targeted services for gym owners and yoga studios. Benefits of defining your niche. Allows for tailored strategies appealing to specific audiences, builds better client rapport and trust, positions you as an expert in a particular field. SEO tip. Use keywords like best marketing services for fitness trainers and SEO for small businesses in your blog and website content. Your online presence is the biggest factor in attracting your first client. If you are a digital marketer and you don't have your own online presence, how will clients trust you? So start optimizing your professional website and social media profiles. Steps to build a strong online presence. Create a professional website. Include sections like About Me, Services, Case Studies, Blog, and Contact Form. Ensure the website is user-friendly and responsive. Optimize social media profiles. Be active on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Share content related to your niche. Post creative campaigns and behind-the-scenes content to engage potential clients. SEO tip. Include keywords like affordable digital marketing services and hire digital marketer online on your website and social media profiles. Networking is the key to success in digital marketing. You have to actively grow your network to find the first client. Ways to network effectively. Join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Join various forums in your niche and participate actively. Participate in local business meetups and industry events. Engage in online communities and Facebook groups. Seek referrals by building relationships with peers. SEO tip. Include relevant keywords in your profile description on freelancing platforms like Best Freelancer for Digital Marketing and Top Digital Marketing Expert. You must give an effective pitch to impress the client. Make your pitch client-centric and focus on solving their business challenges. Tips for effective pitching. Research your client's business and pain points. Personalize your pitch to align with their goals. Focus on providing solutions rather than selling services. For example, hi client name. I got a chance to see your company's online presence. I think we can improve your sales and engagement by optimizing your website's SEO and social media campaigns. Can I schedule a short call so I can explain my ideas to you? SEO tip. Use keywords like digital marketing solutions and grow your business online in your pitch. Starting in digital marketing can be overwhelming without the right tools. Here are some beginner-friendly tools to help you get started. Canva create professional designs for social media and marketing materials. Google Analytics. Track and analyze website traffic and performance. System.io Dash. Build funnels and simplify email marketing campaigns. Hootsuite. Manage and schedule social media posts efficiently. SEO optimization. Optimize website content for search engines. Getting your first digital marketing client is a challenging but rewarding journey. If you polish your skills, define your niche, and keep your marketing efforts consistent, you will definitely find success. By following the above steps, you can build a strong foundation that will boost your career. For more insights and tips, watch this video. Get your first digital marketing client. SEO Pro Tip. Optimize your blog for voice search and organic traffic by including FAQs and long-tail keywords.